The Spanish Grand Prix is often remembered for the drama on track, but this time the real story may have unfolded behind the garage doors. While the official headline cited a wrist injury, new information coming from within the paddock is painting a much more turbulent picture inside Aston Martin's garage. And if the whispers are true, a major shake-up could be looming for the upcoming Canadian Grand Prix. During the Sky Sports F1 show, respected commentator and F1 insider David Croft shed light on a heated post-qualifying situation involving Lance Stroll. According to Croft, what appeared on paper as a medical withdrawal might have had more emotional sparks than physical setbacks. While Aston Martin claimed Stroll had been managing wrist pain for 6 weeks traced back to a 2023 procedure, Croft isn't fully convinced by that narrative. There was shouting, swearing, and I understand a helmet was thrown so hard it may have been damaged, Croft revealed. Lance has been known to punch garage walls before, though, usually dividers that wouldn't cause injury. This time, however, Stroll's frustrations may have gone a step too far. After qualifying 14th, he was abruptly withdrawn from Sunday's race. The team claimed it was a medical decision, but Croft questions the timing. If they'd really been monitoring this injury for 6 weeks, why risk putting Lance in the car for qualifying at all? Croft asked. If he was unfit to race, that should have been clear before Q1. You don't run a one-car entry in Barcelona unless something went very wrong with your planning. Felipe Drugovich, the team's official reserve, was not activated at any point in the weekend, a decision Croft found questionable. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Croft didn't shy away from naming Drugovich as the clear front-runner to replace Stroll if he's sidelined again. He's under contract, he's the reserve driver, and he's ready. He'll leave Le Mans in a heartbeat to race in Formula One, Croft said. The Brazilian F2 champion has long been waiting for his shot at a full Grand Prix weekend, and Canada may offer him exactly that. The real issue? Transparency. If the team truly saw this coming weeks ago, why was nothing said? Why wasn't Drugovich prepared earlier? And could Stroll's visible frustration have played a bigger role than the team is letting on? We may never get the full story, but one thing's for sure, something doesn't quite add up. What do you think? Is this just racing stress boiling over, or is Aston Martin hiding the full truth? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive F1 insights, breaking stories, and behind-the-scenes drama.